Welcome to today's demonstration on the Knowledge Capture Anti-Counterfeit platform. This demonstration will focus on how the applications can be leveraged within the pharmaceutical industry, showcasing the end-to-end platform on how we can capture and identify counterfeit products, full end-to-end case management, and detailed dashboard reporting. The first phase of the Knowledge Capture Anti-Counterfeit platform features a mobile application which enables users in the field to scan and look up products to help identify if they are counterfeited or not. By using the inbuilt mobile phone camera, by pressing the scan button, we're able to look at the products we have in front of us, and if we have a unique serialization or barcode in this instance on the product, we're able to focus on that particular code and do a lookup within our systems. This lookup goes against the Knowledge Capture Data Hub to find any documentation and data relating to that product. We're also able to define granular security access, and these documents can be encrypted to ensure only the right user gets access to the content. In this particular example, it's a document explaining what to look for when goods are potentially counterfeited. It highlights that certain parts of the barcode may be duplicated or changed on counterfeit products, and what you should look out for as far as the quality of the packaging. For example, this medication has Braille on the front of the package, and quite often that could be missed when counterfeited. What I can also do from the mobile app is in the top right hand corner I can launch a case process. By hitting report, I'm able to add some additional images to the case. This can help with gathering evidence within the field. And I can then start to index this case. We can choose between counterfeit, grey market, lookalike, and all of this can be configured within the platform, and we can then define a region as well. If there's any comments, we can add to the case to kickstart it, and to help an investigator we can load these in as well. Once I hit submit, this will then upload all of this documentation and data into the central case management system, ready for processing at head office. This provides us with a unique reference number, in this case 1627, where a brand new case has been created. Within the Knowledge Capture Anti-Counterfeit case management system, I've loaded up an existing case for a similar product where it's already been through a number of the investigation steps. We've got images of the goods within the case already, along with some additional documentation. In the top left, we get case details sections, where the reference number has been automatically populated. We can define what case type or region this case has come from, if it hasn't been specified within the mobile app, and we can then start to assign additional details, so who the brand protection manager is, if there's any codes or reference numbers that need to be associated to this particular product or case. As we go through into the Counterfeit Details tab, this enables me to load in some additional data and indexing values for the actual products themselves. We can start to define how many products have actually been captured, so if this was a raid we could understand just what the cost is associated to those goods. We have a unique perspective of either finished or unfinished products, meaning we've either found raw materials that have not yet been processed into the finished article, or we found finalized goods that are ready to go out onto the shelves or ready to be distributed. The other tabs enable us to add additional data as the case unfolds, so any suspect information we can include to help with this investigation, and any outcomes as well. It's incredibly important for organisations to track the monetary value of cases as they go through the system, and being able to understand how much a potential case is going to cost the business and how much can potentially be reclaimed is vitally important, and this case management system enables all of that to be tracked from a central location. As you'd expect with case management capabilities, this system also includes full audit trails, the ability to have SLAs and deadline dates to ensure that the business is processing this information correctly, and we also have an integration path with Microsoft Office that enables us to generate outbound correspondence quickly and efficiently. By hitting the letter option within the case documents field, I can open up letters that have already been created or letter templates. So things such as case numbers, batch numbers, UPC codes, if it's contained within the case, it will be automatically populated within this document. Within the ribbon, we also have an integration path where we can add additional case fields or even some compliant paragraphs. So in this instance, it could be testing instructions, or we can send it to a print queue or save it back to the Case Manager system. Back within Case Manager, the document we just created has been saved into the system, and this will stay with the case throughout its entire life cycle. We also have email integration paths, so this document can now be emailed out from within a central client. The final phase of the Knowledge Capture Anti-Counterfeit platform includes real-time dashboard reporting, where all of the data currently being processed by the case management system feeds into this view. In this particular example, we've broken out the content based on geographies. This can help a business understand how to allocate resource in order to make sure it's being most effective at stopping counterfeit issues. We can also break down this content by categorization. So the majority of brands have all sorts of different subcategories of products that they currently sell, and being able to track which ones are being counterfeited the most is imperative in order to do further investigations on either the distribution chain or the manufacturing chain. As I mentioned earlier, all of the monetary value assigned to these cases as they're processed is also included within the dashboard view. This type of analytics enables organizations to see at a very high level exactly what's happening within the organization, and what we're also able to do is drill into this content. By clicking on the personal category, we're able to drill into this content so it's only displaying personal related data. If I go into my dashboard view, I can now see that the seizure types have been split between export and inland. We've got a number of regions that we've currently picked this data up from. However, if I clear all of this content, I'm then able to go back to an overall view where I can see all of the data that's currently being processed within the system. So in this view, we can see where the seizures have happened, whether they've been export, inland, via websites, or if it's unknown at this time, the regions that we've been affected by, and also the categorizations as well. So this demonstration has covered three core components of the Knowledge Capture Anti-Counterfeit platform: how we can identify and capture goods using mobile technology, through to end-to-end case management and real-time dashboard analytics. For more information, please email us at sales@integrity.com or visit our website kc-ol.com/anti-counterfeit/pharma. Thank you very much for your time.